back for another episode of Savoring with Saba. So last week we had cauliflower bang bang, and I'm back with another snack or app, and I'm doing Caribbean shrimp. So let's just jump right into today's recipe. Grace is back.
I'm back, everyone.
A different accent this time.
I'm always going to keep you on your toes.
All right, okay. Well, she is helping with this Caribbean shrimp. First, we're going to add some seasonings,
Right.
and go ahead and mix it in. And I'm going to take some red crushed peppers and do the same. So you share a little bit of space.
Sorry. As a Southern belle, sometimes I just get so excited in the kitchen.
Lord. So
take over the whole bowl. I do apologize.
What's this character's name?
Lillian Sweetwater. Over Mason Dixon line.
Oh,
that's
Lord.
why she has this delightful accent.
Okay. I think that's a lot of pepper, which is good.
But I am black pepper.
Now we're going to try some coconut aminos. This is a great option. Coconut aminos are alternatives for soy sauce. Soy sauce has a lot of salt in there, and coconut aminos is all natural and super delicious. Have you had that before, girl?
I have not. This is my very first time.
Okay, put your hand out
Oh, all right.
and try some. Just look it.
It was delicious. No, honestly, it's not as salty like some of these people out here salty. This was different. It just had flavor. May I wash my hands?
Now we like a little zest and kick. A lot of Caribbean food has a lot of zest to it, so we're
Yes.
gonna add some lime zest in here. Now I love to be generous with this. How about you? Do you mind if I
I
go in?
love all things full of flavor. Like me, flavorful. Zest, 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 zest. Like
Oh,
Savoring.
a jingle.
Zest, 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 zest,
But we're
zest,
better
zest.
than that.
All right. Oh, of course. And it really smells very delightful, very refreshing. Almost like a mojito.
That would be nice right now. I would like a mojito. But yeah, you're right. It has a really strong, fresh scent to it.
I like it.
And it's gonna add a nice kick to our recipe. All right. Now
Yes.
I have either garlic you can pick up first, or the lime juice. Lime juice again is gonna add more citrusy flavors to it. So
I'm
go ahead
gonna
and
go with
pour
the
some.
lime juice
Okay.
because we just have the zest.
Okay. So
Now-
pour. Yeah, I'll tell you when to stop.
Oh, all right. Wagwan. That's what Jamaicans say. Hello.
Okay, keep going.
Oh, all right.
Good. There
Stop.
you go.
All
Yeah.
right. I stopped.
That's nice and good. And then we're gonna end this with some garlic.
Okay. I pick it up. All
Yes.
right. I see this. Looks like a stapler, everybody.
It
but
does. This is my
It's not.
favorite garlic peel.
You can just,
I hate the
it's a
stench.
body on the head.
Oh Lord, I hate the stench that I get from garlic. You have to peel the cloves, and
Right.
it just gets really
Messy.
annoying. Yeah, and it lingers for a long time.
Right.
So with this press, we're gonna actually place it like this.
Oh, all right. Sorry.
Then you can take a clove that's not peeled, stick it right in,
Okay.
and then there we go. Press it down, clamp it down.
Oh, okay, like jet clamping. Oh my Lord.
Oh, she broke my.
I broke it. Sorry, everyone. I'm not used to using staplers in the kitchen. It was all just a lot. Oh, all right.
There we go. See this?
Oh, that's so simple.
Isn't that cool?
That's super cool, darling.
Yeah, so it gets that out there, and then all you have to do is peel out the rest.
Oh.
How about you want to try another one? Or
No, I'm
you...
all right. I'll watch you. Oh, all right. I see what has to happen there.
See how more comes
That
out?
is so ingenious.
Yeah. So I'm going to add more garlic. I'm going to put some green onions, and we'll be right back. So we're done adding in the remaining garlic and the green onions. Grace, do you smell the zesty goodness?
I smell some Caribbean sassafras.
What? Oh, right. That was the first
It's a new
time.
word.
Yeah, I
just
haven't
made
heard
up.
that before.
Sassafras.
So I'm going to marinate this, but first I want to make sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. So, get your hands dirty. That's what the kitchen is for. Don't be afraid to go in. You want to make sure it's nice and well mixed.
That's good. Do you marinate it for some time, like leave it?
Yes, great question. So you're going to marinate it between 30 minutes to 4 hours, depending on how long that you have. Just make sure all the flavors and the juices really are saturated inside of this shrimp.
Got it, darling.
And don't forget, you want to also preheat your oven while you are waiting and marinating this. I set mine to 400 degrees. It's going to be right and ready to go once we take it out of the fridge.
They look very well seasoned. There's little peppers and paprikas and all kinds of things on them. They look good.
All the amazing ingredients that we had. We're going to put this in the oven just for a few minutes, and it's going to be amazing, Grace.
I'm excited.
Okay.
The smell of it actually reminds me of ceviche.
You're right. I do remember that. When we went to Spain a couple of years ago, we had ceviche a lot, and it does kind of remind me of that.
Delightful.
I took out our shrimp. I placed them on our platter. Grace, are you ready?
Beyond. It looks absolutely beautiful, just like Louisiana, where I'm from.
Oh, now Louisiana. Okay.
Why not?
Well, I can still smell the citrus, which I love. That's my favorite part about this whole recipe. I'm going to be a little fancy and drizzle a little bit of sesame oil over the cooked shrimp. Just a little bit.
Drizzle, drizzle.
I think it also adds...
Drizzle, drizzle. Drizzle, drizzle. With the oil on it. You really, honestly, you really can smell the citrus.
Try it. You like that, huh?
That is bomb bigger D, honey. Good.
Wow.
That's good. That's some good shrimp. Okay.
We're not done yet. Oh no. I have a special treat. As you know, it's giveaway March, so we'll be back to show you what giveaway we have in store this week. The birthday crown is on, so that means one thing.
It's looking lovely.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Do I look like Miss America?
Do the wave. All
right. Other hand.
Oh yes, don't hit me in my eye now.
I need it.
Very nice.
Do the drum roll, Grace.
All right.
Voila! Ooh. It is the TW Tote. My goodness. Grace, you gifted this to me a couple of months ago, and this is a game changer. Now, I make my meals and I take it to work just about every day, and this luxury vegan leather lunch bag is amazing. So let me walk you through this.
Show them that color, honey. That
the
color,
black,
honey. The interior is gorgeous.
And the interior is gorgeous. Look at that.
Like a cognac.
You have so much storage space. You have a pocket. I love my pockets. So you have a pocket in here. You can also fit another compartment in here. So I put some vegetables, whatever I'm storing that is smaller, like my side dishes, in that cubby. The handles are so well made, nice and sturdy. So no matter what the weight is in here, it's not gonna flex. Love that. And again, that interior, look at that. You have a pouch, more storage space, and then another pocket.
Because what's life without pockets? You know, the insulation is amazing. It'll keep your food hot if it's going to be hot, and it'll keep it cold if that's what you want. It's awesome.
And it stores so much. I love the fact that it looks compact, but it definitely stores a lot. I love this company. I think that they're doing amazing work. Quality lunch bags, sophisticated looking. I mean, what more could you ask for? 2 lucky people are going to get any color they want, like not just the black. They have an array of colors.
Yes.
So if you're chosen, I'm going to ask which one you want. So make sure you go to their website, twtote.com, to get more information and figure out what color you want. So if you want to know how you can get your hands on this luxury, amazing lunch bag.
Say it again.
Luxury.
One more time.
Luxury bag. Look at my description box. I will have all the details. Good luck, everyone. I hope that you enjoy this as much as I do for the lucky winners. And as always, happy savoring.